Hi guys, it's Brookelynne and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be this Valentine's Day makeup look. I was going to say everyday Valentine's Day, but I suppose you could use it for anything everyday look, more of a glam look. But it is definitely perfect for Valentine's Day. It's this perfect berry pink makeup look with the eyes and the pink on the lips. I absolutely love it, and it's going to be perfect for any type of Valentine's Day event or even a Valentine's Day event if you're single. So yes, if you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. So my base makeup and eyebrows are done off camera. Primer, I use my BPerfect Professional Primer, not Professional, Perfection Primer in the shade Champagne Glow. A beautiful champagne colour, and I love a glowy makeup, so this is perfect for that. For foundation, I did use my SheGlam Skinfluencer foundation in the shade Wheat. Perfect for the coverage foundation. Don't need to use any concealer with this, it just covers up everything. It acts as a 2-in-1, which is what I like. And this is what it looks like. It's a perfect tan neutral colour for fake tan or real tan, or like if your skin tone's really like colour, it's perfect for you. Concealer wise, I did end up using one because I do like to have that brightness and the acts an eye base. So I used this collection Lasting Perfection concealer in the shade Porcelain number 2 to set everything in place. Oh, before I tell you about the powder, I did use this to blend in my foundation and concealer. It's the Primark Beauty Sponge. It's really good for like blending everything in. So for powder, I used this W7 Banana Dream powder. It's a perfect loose setting powder. I absolutely love it. I did use my blank canvas F40 for underneath the eyes and the eyelids. And then I went in with my Ellison's very battered Ellison's brush. Look at it, it's like came off the handle for the rest of my face. For eyebrows, I did end up going in with my, it's all rubbed off, sorry about that, it's a P. Louise eyebrow gel in the shade Gingerbread. It's perfect for like giving you that nice dark defined brow look, and it's good for on the run. Gingerbread does have more of a warmth to it, so if you have any warmth in your hair, it's perfect for that. So I'm going to do a voiceover for the rest of this tutorial because I talk too much and I want to get this makeup on my face. So I'm using my Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette, taking the shade Fields with the brush that comes with it, the fluffy end, putting it into my crease and into the outer V area. I'm taking the shade Bling with the same brush just to put into the outer V and also into the crease for a deeper look to create that nice berry tone. Also taking that same brush to squash it and put the colours underneath my lower lash line too. I'm taking the shade Privacy on that smaller end of the brush to create a smoky lash line effect underneath and on top of my lash lines. The shade Bang Bang with a fluffy brush just to create a nice cut crease effect onto my lids. This shade is perfect for Valentine's Day, that perfect glittery rosy pink. Taking my NYX Butter Bronzer in the shade 05 with my, I think it's Obsession's Angle Contour Brush just to sculpt out my face. I need sculpting. I feel like my face just doesn't have as much definition, and yeah, I need to lose a bit of weight too. Just doing the cheekbones, sides of the forehead, definitely the jawline, and then the sides of my nose to create that sculpted snatched look, which we all want. Taking my W7 Berry Blush, the sample size, with my Unicorn Blush Brush to create that nice berry flush on the cheeks, perfect for Valentine's Day. And then I'm going in with my W7 Glowcamotion Highlight with my Unicorn Highlight Brush just on my high points in my cheeks, down the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and the eyebrows and inner corners. When it comes to I'm using my PES double-ended black and nude pencil eyeliner, taking the black side to create a nice defined lash line, both top and bottom. From my bottom lash line, I just take my black eyeliner underneath, not the waterline. I'm taking the nude for the waterline to give me the effect of bigger, bolder eyes. Taking my Mrs. Glam Hydrate and setting spray just to set my whole makeup in place to make it last all day or all night. I love this stuff. Taking my Makeup Gallery Berry Pink liquid lipstick just applying this onto my lips and slightly overlining my lips to create a fuller pout. I definitely need to get my lip fillers done again and Botox, but I like this colour because it's perfect for Valentine's Day. It's pink, but it's not too bright in your face. Taking the Revolution Wispify mascara, I'm just applying 2 coats of this on my top and bottom lashes, just wiggling it and flicking it up to create these nice dramatic lashes. If you don't want to wear false eyelashes, you can absolutely with this look. Just do whatever makes you feel comfortable, but I just didn't do that today because I wasn't really going anywhere special. So yep, that's what I'm doing. And that is a finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you have a lovely Valentine's Day, whatever you're doing. And I'll see you again for the next video. Stay gorgeous. God bless. Bye.